Ever had shoppers love your product, but wait too long and leave without buying? That hesitation, even just a few seconds, can mean a lost sale. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the high-converting stock countdown feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Stock Countdown app and enable it with just one click. Then create a new Stock Countdown campaign, and you can fully customize how it looks. Set the remaining stock number, choose the urgency message, and style it to match your brand. Once saved, you'll see a countdown on your product page that lets customers know stock is limited, and it's moving fast. Stock Countdown is just one of over 30 powerful tools inside Crucials, all designed to grow your BigCommerce store. Try Crucials today and turn hesitation into action, one countdown at a time.